Hey guys, Cinemila from Twinkle here, and I'm here to share with you recipes for your little one. I know the struggle of finding something to eat for your little one, but do not worry, I have come to save you. You'll need 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 egg, but I decided to add 2 because mine are quite small, and some grated cheddar cheese. Begin by chopping up your bell pepper and onions in small bits of cubes. Of course, you have to wash thoroughly. Add some oil to your pan, just a little bit of oil, and spread it around the pan. I also added some cook spray just so it doesn't stick to the pan. Crack your eggs in a bowl and then mix them together. Add your bell pepper and onions to the pan. Let that saute in the pan for at least 3 minutes. And then you add your egg to the pan, let that sit for 2 to 3 minutes before you flip it around. Add some cheese, as much cheese as you want. Then cut it up into your desired pieces and plate it up for your child. Now it's ready for a 9-month-old all the way to 12-month-old to eat. Happy eating! For more baby-led weaning recipes, head over to our website, click the link in the description box. You'll find plenty and plenty of recipes in our parents' guide.